good evening everybody, and welcome to not the shop, but inside of my 2004 Subaru Legacy. And today I just want to show you a difference. These are my stock 9007 bulbs inside of this car. These are just the stock Halogen 9007, just like your run-of-the-mill, whatever the car came with. And they're not really that great. You can't really see too far with these things. So we have ordered some lights from OXILAM, and we are going to do a comparison to see how much brighter those suckers are instead of these, because these are nothing really to write home about. So let's go get those installed and check out and see what the difference is. So as you could tell, the headlights in this rig, this 04 Legacy, really aren't that great when you just have the standard halogen bulb inside of these housings. Visibility is pretty much, without the fog lights, crap. So let's go ahead and install these LEDs and see what kind of a better view we're going to get with them. The bulbs we're going to be using today is this OXILAM Q26 series. Looks like they're pretty much plug and play. You don't have to do any finagling. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Hey, there we go. Favorite part about LED lighting is our Michael Jackson gloves we get here. Sweet. Get your social media stuff there, you know, product manual. But that's what we're looking for. We got our LED lights here. These are 9007s. Plug and play for this system. That's what I like about systems like this. There's no adjustment. You just plug them in and let them rip. You know, you don't have to adjust the angle of it to get your beam up and down the way it should be. Sometimes you do have to adjust the headlight for the beam pattern on low beam up and down, but for the most part, plug and play is the way to go. Pretty simple on the Subarus. Just unplug, twist the retainer. Bulb one. Same thing on the other side. Unplug it. Start the retainer. Bulb. Bulb two. Now, go ahead and set our LEDs in place. One. Two. All right. So now that the new LED bulbs are installed, we're going to take another trip around the block and see what kind of performance these things can put out. Hopefully, our visibility goes up quite a bit. Cross our fingers. So comparatively, you know, the stock halogens, just those 9007s versus these Q26 LEDs from OXILAM. These are probably, in my opinion, 2 to 3 times brighter than your standard 9007 halogen bulb. Low beam and high beam spread are really good. I think these run 28,000 lumens, so it's a decent brightness for the cost that you're paying, $50–$60 for a set of these. And you're going to pay probably more. I think the last time I checked it was about $80 for a set of Sylvania Ultra Brights or Napa Night Visions, which I don't think, honestly, are as bright as these. As far as longevity goes, that's still to be determined, but affordability and functionality seems fairly good. Like I said, plug and play, no adjustment necessary as far as this car goes. Low beam, high beam, works out pretty good. So far, pretty satisfied. So go ahead over to OXILAM.com, check out all the products that they have. You You can just import your vehicle information, and it'll tell you the fitment chart, exactly what you need for your car. And then use promo code Sean Brown. That's my name, Sean Brown. Deer. Hi, deer. So worried about talking to you guys. I almost hit a deer. Anyways, promo code 20% off. Just like that deer almost took 20% off of my fender. Anyways, OXILAM.com, promo code Sean Brown, save your 20%. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate the support.